Recently, the government attempted to provide a benefit to consumers by adjusting the GCT on electricity bills. The net effect has caused confusion. Firstly, consumers using below 150 kilowatt-hour per month will now, for the first time, be paying GCT at 7%. They were granted a subsidy and a rebate of 10%, so thereby the benefit was a 3% positive benefit. But this smacks of electioneering, Madam Speaker. You know why? Because we don't know today when that subsidy and rebate will be removed. When you give a subsidy and you offer a rebate, especially in a situation where you don't control the operations of the company, then you need to indicate what is the specific time frame for this rebate and subsidy. What it means is once those rebate and subsidies fall, those people who were not paying GCT up to that point in time will be paying 7% on their bills. Also, Madam Speaker, the minister did announce about a prepaid facility that they were going to do to encourage people to become a part of the formal market. For the first time, these people, Minister, are going to be charged GCT on their bills. So I believe the minister, when he speaks, will have to provide clarification, because we were told that this was a benefit, and it really is not operating in that way.